Hey guys, welcome to Animal Crossing. And we're just gonna do a house tour today, so let's go.
It's me, Game Farmer.
Whoa, we're matching right now.
Yeah, we are.
Game Farmer,
You are Louise.
Shh, be a little quieter, okay? So let's do a house tour, guys. Game Farmer, come in.
I can't get in.
Okay, guys, so here is the house so far. It looks really different since you last saw it. Boom. Coin. Invincibility Star, Mush, and Fire Flower, Thwomp, and 1-ups. But there's one thing missing, 1-ups. So let's go outside.
I thought you said 1-ups.
I did not say 1-ups. I said question mark blocks.
You said question mark blocks. And 1-ups.
Anyways, okay, so this little guy right here, this is what Game Farmer is going to be searching for. He has gifted me 1-up after 1-up after 1-up for some reason. But today, he's going to be searching for all 4 1-ups that is on my island.
Yeah, because I keep sending him 1-ups, so...
Alright, Game Farmer.
Do I take them when I find them?
No, you just use them. The
Do
next...
I get a clue or something?
Yeah. The next 1-up is where the town meets. Behind the building. Behind the resident service building. Perfect, I heard it. He's using it.
What's the next clue?
I'm using it right there. There's the next 1-up. Okay, good. Let's go, baby! Wait, what does it say? Company's over. Time to tidy up later? Okay, cool. The next 1-up. Stop.
I'm following you. I'm just following you.
The next 1-up. Go to the only tree with fruit left on its vine. Then go down.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Then go down to the pumpkin patch that I love so dearly. And go beside the house that is blue. And there's the next 1-up. It's a pretty short video today, but I thought it would be a fun
That's only 3.
Uh-huh, I know. The next one is behind a building that I built just a while back.
I was here when you built the building. And that was like a few days ago.
Tell me when you find it, because I already know where it is. I heard him activate it. It was behind Nook's Cranny. That's
Which is a building I was here in the episode for him to build.
And also, guys, here is the YouTube museum, but that's just besides the point. He has found Game Farmer. Just
and then the 1-up bell.
See, that's the 1-up right there.
I'm gonna go into the house and I want you to come in after me. And then I'm gonna ring what I call the 1-up bell.
Wait, no, I'm not in yet. Coming in. So guys, this has been a little bit of a shorter video. What is the 1-up bell?
We can never die. I have too many 1-ups.
Woohoo! Alright guys, this has been a fun video today. Stop, Game Farmer. This has been a very fun video today, but you know, all nice fun things have to come to an end.
Bye.
No, we gotta do the outro. Let's go outside and do the outro. Okay, guys. let us get inside. Thank you. Comment, like, and subscribe. And me and a game bum will see you guys soon. Bye.